Hello guys, hope you're doing great. So today we are going to discuss about one of the critical vulnerability which was SQL injection, right? So we have a live environment over here which was vulnerable to this vulnerability, and we have this endpoint. So let me expand this and show you. So if I expand this, you are able to see this, right? So how did I got this? So if you have been watching the previous series and all, so we used Burp Suite for finding this. So how did we do that? Let me show you over here. So if you head over to Burp and if you choose over target over here, right? I think I'm in the wrong place. Yeah. If you head over to your sitemap and you have a list of target added to this, you can just right click and click on discover content. That was the one which helped me find this endpoint over here. So how did I go for SQL injection on this one? Again, I just tried entering a few of the easy one, again the codes and all. So I got some error over here. So I thought, why not test for this SQL injection vulnerability on this. So again, I head over to one of my terminal and I just ran this command over here. So all this is mentioned on our website for completely free. You don't have to do anything. So over here you can see we were able to dump the user table and get the credentials and everything. So if I head over to our tools website, you will find first of all like we were talking about Bobsuit, right? So if I enter example.com, so here you can find how to add the target in scope for wildcard and also you see there's a lot of traffic. Like even if I go to proxy as well, you're able to see my extensions and all are generating a lot of traffic, right? So that's why we have created this over here. And same goes for SQL map. We have created almost all the commands you need for SQL map, and it not only covers that, it also has an automation approach which could be useful. And if you have tried this in this case also, it would have helped you find the SQL map. So you can see we are using Waymore, and after that we are using GF for sorting the vulnerable parameters, and then we are running SQL map on that. Now dump all is for dumping the database and all the table. So this is what we are using, and this is what you can test as well. Again, this is something for ethical hacking, not to be tested and done on non-authorized endpoints website or anything. So this was a like pretty basic guide for SQL map if you guys are not testing. Like we are going to discuss about more, like where to tell like how to test SQL map on a login page, forget password, and a lot more endpoints on that. So we have a POCs for that as well. But this was just a part one to get you started, give you a brief overview about SQL map, how to look for it and all. So I don't think I need to explain you about SQL map, but this was a practical demo. How I found this endpoint, then the command which we used, and all that command is already available on the tools.hackwithindiaa.com. So if you are not able to find this, you can head over back to our description box. I'm going to add in that. So like this was one of the very easy SQL map. If you just give it to SQL map tool, it would have easily find. And again, happy hunting. Let me know if any doubt and queries. See you guys. Bye.